Hello children, a very good morning to all. Today we are going to learn places of worship. Look at these two sweet girls. They are praying to the God. See this girl like you, small like you. She is so nicely praying to the God. This is the picture of a temple and this is Om. You know children, Om is the main symbol of Hinduism. Who goes to the temple, children? Do you know? Hindu people, they go to the temple to worship the God. These are bells. In front of every temple, you will see bells. Whenever there is any occasion or celebration or festival is there, always the temples are decorated beautifully. Here you can see the temple is decorated with beautiful flowers, and in the second picture the temple is decorated with lighting. Here, children, whenever you go to the temple, always you have to remove your shoes outside the temple and you have to keep it nicely. This is picture of Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati, Kartikeya Swamiji and Ganesh Bhagwan. Hindu people, they believe in many gods and goddesses. Here you can see these ladies, they are praying to God. This is puja thali. This is kunku, then sweet, flower, incense stick, diya, holy thread, water and bell. All these things we need while performing puja. And before the puja, we light the lamp. These are garlands to offer God. And these are the offering children. Different types of fruits, sweet and food we cook. It is offered to God. And after that, it is distributed among the people. Now children, when in Hinduism, every day in the morning and evening in temple and at home, people do arti. And after the arti thali or diya is circulated among the people, those who are present for the arti or puja. Look at this picture children. This is Gurudwara. And Sikh people, they go to the Gurudwara. Look at this symbol. This is the holy symbol of Sikhism and it is called Khanda. Before going to the Gurudwara, everyone has to remove the footwear outside the Gurudwara. This is the inside view of Gurudwara. And it is so beautiful children. People gather here to offer their prayers. On this takht, Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikh people, is kept. And people who enter the Gurudwara, they have to cover their head with cloth. Uh, People those who don't have kerchief to cover their head, in Gurudwara you will see one bean is there with kerchiefs, so you can pick up kerchief and cover your head. Here verses from Guru Granth Sahib are explained to people. This is the holy book, holy scripture of Sikh people. It is called Guru Granth Sahib. You can see this lady. She has covered her head and she is reading Guru Granth Sahib. He is Guru Nanak Ji and he was the founder of Sikhism. And he was the founder of Sikh religion, and this is the prasad which is called halwa or kada prasad, and it is distributed among the people after offering to God. Thank you children.